Welcome to video 11.2a, areas of parallelograms and triangles. Here's the two formulas. The area of a parallelogram, again, is base times height. Just keep in mind that the base and the height always have to be perpendicular for all of these formulas we're going to use. The area of a triangle, 1/2 base times height. And here are three different types of triangles. So here's an acute triangle, where I've got the base here and the height is on the inside. Here I've got a right triangle where the base is one leg, the height is a different leg. And here I've got an obtuse triangle where the base is here, and what we got to do is extend out and the height will again be perpendicular. Again, I want to emphasize any side of the triangle can be the base, it does not have to be in the bottom. And for the triangle, just to give you a brief way to recall that 1/2 factor. If you recall that the area of a rectangle is base times height, and then if you draw a diagonal like such, hopefully you could see that the area of this triangle will be 1/2 the whole rectangle, or 1/2 base times height. So that's an easy way to remember the 1/2. All right, so here's example 1. Find the area of this parallelogram. Again, a reminder, all answers should be exact simplified unless otherwise specified. All right, so we've got a parallelogram, we've got the base, if only we had the height. Well, what we could do is draw in an altitude. Notice that we've got a right triangle over here. If this is 60, this angle over here must be 30. And then hopefully you remember your 30, 60, 90 ratios. I'll write them down for you. 30, 60, 90, x, 2x, x rad 3. So I recall that the hypotenuse is 6, so opposite of 30 is going to be half that, or it's going to be 3. And then going from opposite 30 to opposite 60, the way I remember is you just multiply by rad 3. So going this way, that's going to be 3 rad 3. So however you want to do it. So now I've got the height, the base, I'm done. So I'll just write the answer up here. So the area is base times height, 14 times 3 rad 3, 10, that's 30, 42 rad 3. Again, they didn't give me any units. The book will just leave it that way. I like to emphasize that it is units squared. We'll have a few more examples, but there you have it. How to find the area of a parallelogram and a triangle.